Today's full body seated practice is going to help release tension and just help us completely relaxed. If you are new here, this is day 3 in our Sunrise to Sunset series, practices that you can do both in the morning and in evening time. So we're going to get started in a seated position. You can bring your left shin in front of your right. Just lightly rest your hands onto your knees. Let's draw the shoulders up towards the ears. And exhale down the back. Just taking 3 deep breaths here. So your eyes were closed, gently opening them, taking a few neck rolls, thinking about making a circle with your chin. We'll do 2 in one direction and switching directions. From here, we're going to drop the chin to the chest. And then on an inhale, look up towards the ceiling and trying to touch your tongue to the roof of the mouth. Feel a nice stretch in the front of the neck. Chin to chest. And looking up towards the ceiling, tongue to the roof of the mouth. One more. And this time, maybe turning your chin to the right and to the left. Bringing the head back upright, taking a few spinal rolls. So bringing your chest over your left knee, down through the center, and around. And really allowing the head to be heavy, opening up through the spine, through the hips, and switching directions. Coming all the way back upright, taking your left hand, grab a hold of your right knee, reach your right hand to the back. And just to making sure as we're twisting, think about twisting from above the navel. So think about growing nice and tall first before you twist. And switch. So right hand reaches for the left knee, left hand reaches to the back. Doing this a few more times. Remembering the breath. This time as we reach to the left, we're going to hold, reach, 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 reach. And from here, reach that left arm over the left ear and lean to the right. Come back, bringing your left fingertips to the floor and reach to the right. A nice stretch in the left side body. Last one here, and we'll hold, pulling that left knee towards you. Increase the twist. And from here, let's drop the left hand to grab a hold of the right knee and curl in. You can sway side to side. Feeling a nice stretch between the shoulder blades. And gently release that right arm and reach the right arm up and over. Right hand comes back down. And reach. On this final one, we'll hold it here, really pulling that right knee to help you twist, look underneath that right armpit. And then from here, we're going to close the shape, grab a hold of the left knee with the right hand, and curl in. Gently release the grip on both knees. You can open your seated position a little bit wider, so you're bringing your feet a little bit closer in towards your groin. Inhale, arms to come up, and exhale, fold over your shins. Staying nice and low, let's walk all 10 fingertips over towards the left, thinking about drawing your right rib cage over your left thigh. And then really reaching with your right fingertips. Come back through center. Same thing over to the right. This time you're thinking about drawing your left rib cage over your right thigh and reaching with your left fingertips. And gently come back through the center. Come all the way back up. Bring the soles of the feet to touch, finding butterfly position here. Interlace your fingers around the tops of your feet and bring tension into your legs. So on an inhale, find a nice tall spine. Tense the legs and actively drop the knees to the floor. Inhale. Exhale, lead with the chest. You can rest your elbows on your thighs. Hold it here. And gently come all the way up. Open your legs out nice and wide, finding a straddle position. So from this position here, flex your feet back towards you, lift your kneecaps to engage your quads, and bring some tension into your legs so they're nice and strong. Bringing your fingertips out in front of you, we're going to take a few cat-cow. So inhale, stick out your bum, puff up through the chest. Legs are nice and active. You'll feel that stretch in the hamstrings. And on the exhale, push your fingertips away, round through the spine, chin to chest. 3 more like this. On this last one, inhale and exhale, coming down any amount. Tension still in the legs. And then once you arrive at your desired position, you can soften the legs. A few deep breaths here. Next inhale, push into the palms, come all the way up, sprinkle your fingers in front and behind of you. We're going to look to the left and drop the right big toe to the floor. And switch, look to the right, drop the left big toe to the floor. Do one more each side. And on this final one, we're going to just close the legs slightly. Bring your left hand behind you, directly behind your left sit bone. Push into your heels. Activate your legs nice and strong. Pick up your hips. Sweep the right arm back. And come down. Right hand comes behind you. Push up. And down. One more time each side. Last one. And lower. Let's swing the legs down the length of the mat with your knees bent. So with your knees bent, you have the option to hold your knees or grab a hold of your ankles. I prefer to grab my ankles. Flex your feet back towards your face and pull the skin of your ankles up. So if you're grabbing your knees, you're pulling up. Inhale here. And exhale, round. Two more. Last one. And exhale. We're going to round all the way down onto the mat. Bend the knees in towards the chest. Let's drop both knees to the right. Cactus the arms. You're going to place your right hand on top of the left knee. Come back through center. Drop your knees to the left. Coming back through center. And just taking a few moments here. You can bring your feet as wide as the mat and allow the knees to knock in for a constructive rest. Maybe you find a reclined butterfly. Taking 8 deep breaths here. Slowly from here, beginning to invite little flickers of movement back into the body. Wiggling the fingers, the toes. Rotating the ankles, the wrists. Just reach the arms up overhead. The legs nice and long. Reach, 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 reach. And on the exhale, just allow your bones to drop heavy. And the knees one by one, rolling over onto your side. You can cradle the head in the upper arm. And then gently push up to a seat. With your eyes closed, just humbly bow your chin in towards your chest. Draw the shoulders up towards the ears and down the back. At this point in our practice, I will read our blessing. If you're not sticking around for the blessing, I do hope you enjoyed the practice. And the blessing says, may you walk confidently in God's purpose for your life this week, seeing his divine appointments in every encounter. Let's take a nice big inhale, draw the shoulders up towards the ears. Open the mouth and sigh it out. Gently opening the eyes. I do hope you enjoyed the practice today. As for the blessing, maybe this week we can think about how we are living in God's purpose. Are we creating our own, or are we looking to fulfill and discover God's purpose for our lives? Also, before we go, I just wanted to say thank you to Nays Way. She shared my YouTube channel on her TikTok, and from that share, I received, I want to say, maybe close to 500, if not more, new subscribers. And so the power of one share, I'm very grateful for that. So thank you, and welcome to all the new subscribers who came via that share. That's it from me. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, and I will see you back here again soon for day 4.